Yes, friends and family, welcome back. Mr. Maxwell is here. Jamaica home style cooking. Yeah, Jamaica home style cooking. Yeah, welcome back. As I can see on the counter today Tuesday evening dinner, we're gonna have some brown stew fish, some banana, green banana, and two finger ripe plant, and a piece of yellow yam. We're gonna have some flour. So that is this evening dinner. Okay, so my fish, I have three lovely fish here. Three lovely, nice fish. Clean them up and cut them up and wash them with vinegar and some lime juice and everything. Okay, so that I hit. So we have a couple of seed of banana, we have two plantain, we have a piece of yellow yam here. I don't know if it's good still, but we have to eat with some flour, some dumpling. So that is it. So, alright, but we season it. I put a little season for our fish and go on. Yeah, so I rub on for seasoning. We want some black pepper and some all-purpose pan there. Never realize that my fish season done. There. So we fish. We want some season for our fish. Alright, so we want some season for our fish so that our fish season done. Yeah. So I eat that. So here we are gonna do. We are put on pot, knead up flour. So you soon see we return. So let's go on boom bang until we return. Soon come again. Alright family, welcome back. As if on the counter now, we are gonna knead up some flour. Yeah, me love knead up the flour before my pot boil up. Yeah. Alright. So we have to cut some flour. My bowl clean, wash up my bowl. Okay. And that's alright, that's it that. Cover down back this. Put it aside. I've add a little salt. Take that, put this aside. Here we have a cup of water. We have a food that still, we have a banana, the yam, and the plantain. So we're gonna need up your hand wash, clean and everything. So we're gonna need up the flour. So the salt in the flour. So with some water. So some flour, knead up. So we're gonna knead out the flour, get smooth and soft and look at the bowl how it clean. Look at the bowl how it clean. So you have to need flour. It's not too soft, it's not too tough. Yeah. So well knead out. Hmm? Flour well knead out. Alright, I want to put him down for sponge out till the pot start boil up. Make flour and put in. So yes family, so this is my flour I need up. So let it go on. You know? To the pot ready to boil up. Yeah, so we soon return again. So I'm putting food in a pot. Alright. Alright family, welcome back. As I can see, my pot for my food is on the fire. Soon boil up. Soon boil up. And the pot with the oil to fry the fish. Okay? So soon return again. And let's see we return I put in things in a pot. Fish are fry. So soon return. Okay, welcome back family. As I can see, my pot hot for the fish. So we will put in our fish. Yes, family, so it's like in our pot of fry. It's boil up. As things start boil up, put in our dumpling. Yeah. Yes, family, so the fish that in the pot of boil, a fry. Fish at the pot of fry. Pot so ready for the dumpling, for the banana and dumpling and then stuff. Yeah, so with that. Yeah. So soon we turn again. We'll come back from there. Yes, we'll turn the fish. Turn. Alright family, as I can see this pot is boiling up. Pot is boiling up. So we're going to put in our flour. So we flour them here. So we're dumpling them. So I put in our flour then. Yeah. So I put in our banana. And banana. Our yam. Some plantain, right plantain. So I hit that. I put in some salt. I put in some salt. So I hit that family. So I put in some salt. So I hit that family. So hit that, as I can see, the fish are fried. Dumpling and banana, yellow yam, and fried plantain in a pot. So I cover him down and now. Thing go on bubble. Yeah, I cut up season for that. I cut up some season for that. So as soon as I put in the season, so we soon return again. Okay? Okay, family, welcome back. Alright, as you can see the fish, them brown. We're going to throw in our season for our fish. Then so we season here. So we season. We have onion, we have garlic, we have tomato, we have bell pepper, we have scallion, we have scotch bonnet. So we're going to throw them over for our season for our fish. throw some water in there and cover them down and let them cook down now. Then I put in some seasoning. Alright, so you can put in a all-purpose in him and cover him down. See food pot a bubble. See food pot a bubble. Put in it like this. Put in the black pepper. Huh? Mi kalla va fatto meno bevuto. Hit that family. So yeah. Put in a little butter in it, you know. Put in a little butter in it, you know. A little butter in it. It smells so nice. So nice. A little butter in it. Put in a little butter in it, you know. I'll cover him down and now I think cook. The family can see this is boiling up. Food pot a boil. Yeah, food pot a boil. So here we soon come back. When I say we come back, that's how we fish look. Soon we turn. Alright family, welcome. Look on the fish how it's so pretty. Look on the brown stew fish how it's so pretty family. Look on the brown stew fish how it's so pretty. Look on the fish how it's so pretty. Wow. Flour pot a bubble. See it bubble? See it? Yeah, see it? Pot a bubble. And the dumpling and the banana pot a bubble. And it's brown stew fish. Yeah. We're going down there. It's more ready. You can lock off this. Yeah. Lock off this. Let's go and take the time and simmer down. And make the food go and cook a little more. Yes, family. So family, I eat that. Our fish, brown stew fish, dumpling and banana as a yam and a ripe plantain. For more on that, with some lemonade. Yeah. So here we soon come back. And as we come back, yeah, share. Let me see how the food look this evening. Yeah, big up on yourself and thank you for Sunday. I tell you the video the Sunday gone wild. Go in a day it 100 and hard. Yeah, so keep it up family. So here we soon return. Okay family, welcome back. As you can see my dinner this evening, my Tuesday evening dinner, brown stew fish, boiled banana, piece of yellow yam, piece of fried plantain, 2 boiled dumpling. Yes, family, it is it. It is it, family. Yeah. Look for me dinner this evening. Keep on like and share. Subscribe. See there? Brown stew fish, banana and dumpling, yellow yam, ripe plantain. Yeah. I eat this. Yes, family. Look at it. As I always say, where in the United States I can go and get that dinner? Eh? Where in the United States I can go and get that dinner? Authentic Jamaican food that. Some nice size boiled dumpling, banana, they look soft and nice. Yes, family, I eat that. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend for tell a friend. I eat that. Family, the best me always try to put out Gono. Gono the best at all time. Yeah. Look at my dinner this evening. Who no want a perfect dinner like this? Tell me now. Who no want a perfect dinner like this? Brown stew fish, two-seeder banana, dumpling, piece of yellow lamb. Oh my God. You know, nice juicy to wash it down with now. Some nice lemonade. Yeah, authentic Jamaican lemonade me I talk about. But I don't have any lime. Yeah. And I'm sure they make some lemonade. Yeah. So, family, keep on like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay? So here we are going to say. Go and big up on yourself, man. On Tuesday evening, this, you know. No matter what you prepare, you know, enjoy it. Right? Because you prepare it. Yeah. So, go and big up on yourself. Go and, you know, as I say, go and put God first in everything you are going with. God will see you through. So here we are go out and we are going to do a thing. I'm letting you know how it go. So next time, big up on yourself. Walk good. God bless you.